everyone! Simple tips to remove nail polish effectively and apply them effectively. What do you need for it? Well, obviously nails on which there is some polish. You need a nail polish remover, you need some cotton, you need a nail polish of your choice, and you need some water, and we'll tell you why later. So let's begin. Take ample amounts of the nail polish remover onto the cotton. Yeah, don't forget to close the lid because it evaporates quite a lot. So you go clockwise and then you go anti-clockwise and then one swipe. Repeat that for all your fingers. And voila, the nails are clean. Shake for maximum effect. The product gets evened out pretty quickly. Apply the first coat, just one coat the first time around. Once it dries, you can come back for a repeat coat. Use even lines, so apply the nail polish at the edge first and then you can do the center. That way you get even coverage. And now it's time for the second coat. While you're applying the second coat, you need not apply at the edges. You can just, this is for coverage, you can just apply it on top. Now here's a quick tip to quickly dry your nail polish. Get a bowl of water, dip your nails into the water, hold it for about 30 seconds. Now do the same for the other hand. Yep, and we're done. Wipe your hands and dry it off quickly with the hairdryer. and voila, you're done. Fresh coat of painted nails are ready. Yeah, and you're ready to get on with your daily chores. Wasn't that quick and easy now? Try it and let us know your comments. Thank you.